but this very funny. Yeah, it's a sunny day, so some places you look at the sun is reflecting. This is gold shop. It's just disgusting. It's too much reflection to my eyes. The sun. Yeah, alhamdulillah. Can't see. It's a sunny day. I don't know the person that watch it. Maybe they help me look at it. Maybe they can see Umer. I couldn't find them, so maybe when I was video, you can see them. Maybe around Umer and Zera. Right? It's Umer and Zera. So you can see them. I don't know. I want to cross the road now. I'm crossing. See their dog? Their dog always have something on their hair. Maybe it's for security reason, I don't know. So I have to wait here until when it becomes green, then I'll cross. So I'm waiting. I'm waiting. When the thing become green, I'll cross. So I'm waiting here. See the other places, it's becoming green already. So here is red, it's cars passing. When it become green, me, I'll pass. Yeah. This place is called Googa side. So I'm gonna show where the Googa is. You can see this one, they cross it before they give them chance to cross. But we are waiting to see the lime green. The cars already stopped by, you can see. So I'm crossing, though they never allow me to cross. I wait here. Here is, hold on a bit. So I wait. Still waiting. Let me cross. It's like they hold on too much, so I'm crossing. Yeah, I can't wait. I'm crossing right now. I'll cross another right side. Yeah. So this is a local restaurant. People eat here. See black there. I don't know where the series is coming from. Okay, at my back is an emergency series. Ah, I see. May I like you, all the sickness people in the world. This is it. Yeah. This is another shop. You know, it's December, so people shop for Christmas. So This is another place. This is gold shop, and this is ATM. They have AK Bank, they have Turkey Bankası, they have Zambil. I don't know, they call it Turkey Bankası. Maybe it's just like our own way we call Nigerian banks. So Turkey is their sound, their language they call Turkey. Turkey Cumhuriyet. Just like the way we call Cumhuriyet Niger. Yeah. This is another pizza plaza. Is where the grande pizza. This is Eczane. Eczane means pharmacy. It's called Eczane in Turkish. It's called pharmacy in English. So, pharmacy or chemist is the same. Yeah. This is another supermarket. You know one thing in Turkey here, any 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes walk, you see supermarkets. So they have supermarkets everywhere. This one is called Migros. They have Migros. They have Beam. They have 101. They have Soak, Migros, and then Beam. So this is all it is. This is another road. People are crossing already. Yeah, this is runabout. This road will take somebody to Mamara Park Street, and the other one here will take you to Metro Bus, and this side is going to take you to local markets here. Yeah. So me, I'm going to the local market side. This is the road to the local market. Yeah, everything is fine because today is a sunny day. You can see clearly.